alright, it'll be alright. Keep going. Yeah, okay. That way a little bit. No, keep going. Keep going. Today we are installing my exhaust. I said straight away, this thing needs one. It's got all the new EU regulated and exhaust rubbish on it, and so basically it's coming off. I think. We'll find out. This is the ARMYTRIX exhaust I'm going for. You already know, I had to do it. I had one on my RCF and it was just mwah. And so this needs a little bit more spice too. This car actually weighs 2,085 kilograms with all my mods and my options, should I say. Pushing it. I mean, to be fair, the lift is what? 3 tons? 3 tons, so all right.
That's solid on there.
Good. Good.
Right, what we got? There's the brace I was talking about, which I'm curious is...
You might get that, you might take these trays down.
Yeah, here's the, there's the parts that we saw on the actual new exhaust.
Yeah.
So that's replicated here. Cats are on the downpipe, so those stay. I wonder where the diesel filter is, unless they just...
doing it?
Is it those two?
Yeah, I think it's them two.
I guess so. Yeah, I guess so.
So this is the new exhaust we're installing. Thanks to ARMYTRIX for sending this through. And of course it's for the LC500. And it's new and shiny, and I hate touching it, but it's gonna get much worse under the car. So that's what I have to keep telling myself.
So this is one of the issues I kind of was worried about. The brace that goes along here.
Yeah, it looks like it goes quite far.
I also don't know the torque spec, so I have to figure that out. So it turns out that it's actually not on that tight. So the brace on the RCF is actually just held on by 4 points, I believe. This is held on a lot more across, which is kind of good, kind of annoying, because we had to put it on the normal ramp so we can actually get the whole brace off. He's done it! The brace has been defeated. So I can no longer at the moment say that it's more rigid than LV, because that's probably not true. But this is so much better than the RCF's brace. Because I said, the last time we just had to cut the exhaust off. So now is the part of taking off said exhaust. Look at that.
I'm not gonna say it, but this should be easy bit now.
You've said it now.
Yeah.
And it's on camera. But this should be fun anyway.
I'm so ready to hear this thing. The new exhaust layout on the floor. There's the old one. Pretty good. Shows you exactly what we are cutting. Spiciness is gonna be going on. We're just taking a little break. Dale's gone to get some food, and I'm gonna work on taking off these. Someone was asking me why I decided to do an exhaust. And to be honest with you, again, it's a quiet car. We have all these new regulations that basically don't want cars to make any noise. And then it's funny because all the hybrid cars are then like, oh, now you're too quiet, you need to make more noise. So technically, I am helping people see and hear me. It's a good thing. They say it's great on bikes. I mean, it is, because people are actually idiots. I'm on my bike, and you, oh, I didn't see him. Use your eyes. Use them. I was gonna say no exhaust, but that's a lie. Still has the cats on it, but we're gonna start it as it is. Hello. It's been a while. We ran into a couple of things. Of course, it's US car based, and so I found the solenoid and such, and I got it started and found a place for it. I'll show you just in case you're on the UK car too. I would suggest taking it somewhere that deals with the exhaust specifically, because the grommets aren't great on this car, and we actually had to go and feed one under the ABS pump, which is actually this side on the car instead of this side. We're there now, and we just run the extra, so basically tee off a vacuum here, steal it, use it, pass it all the way through the car, and that's what controls the valves on the other side. The exhaust itself, I mean, so far so good. So I'm just gonna tidy up the zip ties that I've put on and put the cover on, and then we can lift the car up. I've assigned more helper. So they're working on the back box, and I've just run the vacuum line all the way through using heat shielding and stuff. So that'll help. If my valves stop working, then I know who to blame. It's done. The exhaust is installed. And now I'm going to turn it on. And we're going to test to see if it works. And that's all you're going to get for this video. There's going to be another one for the revs and flybys and stuff. No matter, you're going to help me with that.
You got it.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not helping.
I need my wallet in the car. It's a new day since I actually filmed the installation of the exhaust, and I've actually had it now for a day. I've been playing with it, experiencing it, living with it for about a day. I am so in love. It is, I even know how to explain it. I think it's so much better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought, oh, it's gonna be like the RCFs. It's gonna sound the same engine, everything. It is so much better. I don't know what's happened between this car and the RCF, but boy, it is insane, and I'm going to show you in this video and the next video. But first I want to demonstrate to you a little bit on how this exhaust system works. For those of you that don't know, you basically get a bit of a fob. So if I go around to the back of the car, so right now the valves are actually open, so it makes quite a bit of noise. In the interior, I've yet to tidy all of this up. The car needs a whole clean because I haven't done it in a while, but this needs to be hidden up here. Not that the best idea to drive with it like that, I will say, but if I basically go to the back of the car, you can hear. That's what it's like with the valves open. Press that and it goes closed. It's quieter than stock. Of course, I'm going to take a few days and actually experience it properly for a while and give you a little update and proper flybys and everything once I've, you know, driven the car a little bit more, because it still needs to be broken in properly. But so far, it's quieter and louder than the RCF, which is just a bit, it's a bit insane. The car actually also has 10 gears, which helps make it even quieter, even when I've got the valves open, unless I'm putting my foot down, which is awesome. So essentially on this little fob, you actually get a few different modes. You get the closed valves, you get the open valves, and also a mix. So this in-between button here basically means that once the revs hit a certain point, the valves will open, and if they don't, they stay closed. Pretty cool. But as I said, I've been living with this for a day. Only just now, not even a complete day yet still at this moment, but I'm so happy with it. But as I said, I'm gonna make a dedicated video showing you the proper sound of this exhaust a little bit later. Massive thanks to ARMYTRIX for sending out this exhaust, because it's just made this thing a whole world cooler. Also a little bit on here, we can actually get tips for the exhaust. At the moment, they're just kind of in the stock placement, but I have to get an aftermarket diffuser, so I'm on the look for one of those, because I want the tips. I want to see the exhaust, not this. I mean, it's not really fake per se, but it is. I would say the car's coming together, but it's not. I ain't even got started yet. I've got another little mod that I want to do to the car, but I don't know if it's actually like dedicated video worthy. But if you want to see it, you already know what to do. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks again to ARMYTRIX for sending out this exhaust. And again, let me know what you think. I've got to say as well, the valve system works so much quicker than it used to. Like, it used to be a bit of a delay before I did it. Unless the vacuum line is just better on this car, which it might be. They might have found a better vacuum line and such, so. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, peace.